In the pursuit of affordable and accessible treatments for Tungiasis infestation in the rural setting of Igbokoda, Nigeria, a self-experimentation was conducted to assess the potentials of 2 local topical ointments. Tungiasis, caused by the penetration of Tunga penetrans in cutaneous sublayers, poses significant health risks, with morbidities escalating to mortalities in the absence of obtainable surgical treatments. Given the neglected nature of this infestation and the lack of marketable products, an innovative approach involving grounded naphthalene in kerosene ointment and powder of Piper guineense in coconut oil ointment was undertaken. The study encompassed 80 individuals, divided into 2 groups of 40, each assigned one of the locally formulated topical ointments, regardless of the stage of Tungiasis lesions. The findings revealed promising results in the efficacy of both treatments. For lesions in stages I, II, and III, the mean reduction after 5-6 days of treatment exposure with grounded naphthalene in kerosene ointment was significant, decreasing from 1.83, 3.42, and 3.89 to 0, p less than 0.05. Similarly, the mean reduction for lesions treated with grounded Piper guineense ointment, after 6 to 7 days of exposure, showed a noteworthy decrease from 1.52, 3.10, and 5.00 to 0, p less than 0.05. A remarkably high significant difference was observed between the stages of Tungiasis lesions, p less than 0.0001, and the exposure days of participants assigned the 2 topical ointments, p equals 0.0005. The study concluded that grounded naphthalene ointment, and to a lesser extent Piper guineense ointment, exhibited efficacy in controlling and impeding the development cycle of embedded fleas, irrespective of the infested body part and the stage of infection. These findings present a significant stride in the quest for affordable and locally available treatments for Tungiasis, particularly in resource-limited regions like Igbokoda. Further research and community-based interventions may build upon these findings, offering a glimmer of hope in addressing the challenges posed by this neglected tropical disease. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and activate the notification bell if you wish to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.